What's going on, good people? How you doing? How you feeling, man? Hopefully all is well, and you right now, I'm catching you in a good spot. If you don't know where you are locked in the Ruppleberry Reacts, man. This is the channel you come to for all the good jammy jams, and right now, we got a new jam for you from the Teskey brothers. Song is called Rain and a Color Show, Color Studio. So let's check this out. The Teskey brothers, Rain. Where's the other one? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm going to let it play. I just see one person, but it says the Teskey brothers. I guess it's a band, maybe, and he's the lead singer. I can only assume.
Yeah, is there rain? Are you crying again? Would be the same if I could hold you, my fam. I know it's hard to be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely embrace, but I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone.
Excuse me. Who is this buttery smooth fella? Hold on, wait a minute. Okay, two things. His voice is amazing. I'm talking like Al Green, Bill Withers, like around those type of vibes. That boy has the soul that we talk about all the time. This man is holding on to it. Oh, wow. Okay. And we're back. Let's go.
Yeah. Now this cloud up between us all, and the road ain't so clear, but we can still walk across. 'Cause I know it's hard to be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely embrace, and I know it's hard, and I know it's hard.
Jeez, bro.
To be alone, to be alone.
I'm sorry. I know I'm supposed to talk to you guys. My bad. This man is like Ray Charles, Al Green, Otis Redding, Bill Withers, James Brown. Like, he is a lot of soul crushed into one man and then smoothed out. This guy is amazing. The Teskey brothers. I was thinking there was going to be more. It's just this guy. I can only assume the brothers are in the band. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Explain to me in the comments, please. It does matter. Doesn't matter right now, though. I'm getting back to the show. Back to the show.
Oh, it's hard to be alone, to be alone. Yeah, yeah. Oh, so little.
Oh.
Won't you, girl?
Come on, come on, come on. Stop playing with me. You know, I'm starting to think you enjoy hiding the gems and the jewels. Cause what? This is some white chocolate right here. I'm talking about this is sweet, unexpected, and still delicious. This is amazing. This is amazing. Come on, bro. I kind of want to start it over, but I'm not going to do that. But I will scoot it back a little bit. A little bit more.
I wanna hold you in any way, but if there rain,
Come on, man.
or am I crying again? A soul with no face is a lonely base, but I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone, to be alone. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 'cause I know it's hard, and I know it's hard, but you ain't gonna be alone.
What? Okay. All right. Okay. Oh wow. You know, when things like this happen, it really makes me realize I've been under a rock for over a decade because what in the world? The Teskey brothers reign. Yeah, that guy put me all in my feels. He made me. So there's the thing. I close my eyes when I listen to good music. I let my mind create the pictures and the images and things like that. It's just how I listen to music. This man gives me such a bright image, such a soulful image. Like I can't even put it into words. And I think that's okay. I'm a little overwhelmed with how good this was. This was dope. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Most definitely thank you for this one. Right now, we're at the time when it's all yours, man. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this. Drop those comments, please, man. Make sure you drop those comments. But most importantly, if you want to see more of this and more things like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. There's a lot more to come. But now we're at that time where I get the red light and I got to go. But you guys got to have a good day for me. Get out there and have a good one.